All right, in this video, I'm gonna talk about the realistic way, the real way, how you can make this weekly. I know because I've done it personally myself. And there's not gonna be any fluff. I'm gonna tell you how to do this step by step. So you're going to want to watch this whole entire video because you can schedule your stuff, you can make almost passive income, like literally have your stuff set up where it is literally almost passive. All you need is a phone and well, you need an internet connection. If you're thinking that you're a beginner and this is not gonna be for you, as long as you have my video, you're gonna be fine. You're gonna know how to make money online with Pinterest utilizing affiliate marketing. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, that's okay. All it is you sell someone else's product. It's not yours. They created it. They're dealing with all the customer service. They got everything. And then you literally take it, you sell it, they get a percentage, you get a percentage. I call it a win-win. It's my favorite thing. It is what I do. And 5 years ago, I got laid off on my job and I started affiliate marketing and I haven't been able to look back. Oh, just joking. No more 9 to 5 to me. Follow along, there'll be no more 9 to 5 to you. So now I have a lot to cover, but did you know over 482 million people monthly use Pinterest? Yeah, it's like huge. So I'm gonna tell you how to create your own income stream, do a minimal effort just by recommending other people's product. Yeah, you got it. Hey, and if you want a more in-depth training on this, I'll link it to the first link in the description. Just in case you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell because this is not gonna be my only video on Pinterest. And if you wanna see the rest, you better hit subscribe. All right guys, first thing you're gonna need to do is you're gonna go into Pinterest and you're gonna create an account. Then you're going to turn it into a business account. The next thing you're gonna need to do is you're gonna create a niche or think of a niche. And how do you do that? First, let's just look at Pinterest. You can go to Pinterest and you can go to analytics, or you literally can just go to trends.pinterest.com and you can look and do videos like what's trending like right now, or like right now it's like around Christmas time. So that's gonna be pretty good. Or if you're wanting something that's like for a whole full year, like everybody always talks about woodworking. I don't know why, I guess because it does good through the whole entire time. Or Pinterest is women, you know, working out, abs, stuff like that is usually good for all year long. So I was looking, and for example, if we were to look up, I think I did luxury comfort, luxury life, see luxury Christmas. I did not look for that luxury Christmas decor because that would be a good one. Okay, here's a good example of one that probably would, luxury living room, because right now nobody's caring about it. And then I think it was Christmas nails. Okay, so see that's doing really good. So that's starting to go up. And I had looked for, this is what it was winter outfits. That's what I looked for. And that's going up. Really fashion. Anything that's gonna be like, you know, fashion, skincare, stuff like that is gonna be a good idea. Health, wealth, love, relationships, fitness, all that kind of stuff is really good. Niches, whatever. So since I did winter outfit, so let's pretend that I'm creating a whole nother, a new Pinterest, brand new Pinterest. So I thought of like luxury meets comfort or female luxury, just, you know, some examples. And then the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna wanna create, now, so you got your niche, you wanna create like your banner and your logo and everything. I'm not gonna go into that. You can go into Canva and it's really easy, and I don't want to waste our time. Okay, so now we figured out we don't have to just throw spaghetti at the wall to see if something's gonna stick or something's gonna work. Because, and you can go way farther into all of these analytics and everything to see what's good and what's trending. But this is good enough for me. So I'm acting like I'm creating a whole brand new channel, and I got my name. And make sure that it'll have like a number, a long thing, like let's just say it's luxury meets comfort. That is good. Someone should steal that. It'll have 998 blah blah blah. You can go in and you can easily change that. And what I would do is I would help, because the more SEO, which is the words that people are going to search for, that you can put in it, the better. So in the description, you know, I would put something about like, you know, especially if their comfort was going to be more clothing, you know, you could put like comfortable clothes to wear at home, or, you know, and the word luxury and comfort can be all kinds of things, which is why I was like, ooh, you could do makeup, you could do all kinds of ideas and clothing with it. All right, so the next thing is Shelly. Where do you get your affiliate product? Okay, there's several different places. I'm gonna list some. Digistore, ClickBank, Impact, Warrior Plus, and Amazon. So if all else fails, especially if you're doing like physical products, and that's gonna be just in the example that I'm gonna show you today, I usually do the make money online, and then I did start a new one that is physical products that I do Amazon reviews for. So let's just say we have physical products and we're talking about luxury comfort. So I'm doing one that's women's clothes. So that would be a good place to just go to. If you go to Amazon Associates, or you could even Google Amazon Associates or Amazon Affiliate, and you can go and create, I'll put this up here right now. You can go and sign up and get an account, and then that way you can promote any of their products. Now let's say you're wanting to promote some kind of specific software. You might then go to Impact, and then when you go to Impact, which I love Impact, you sign up for Impact, and then you pick the affiliate programs that you want to promote, and then you do have to sign up for them, and then they get back with you. Or sometimes, like say you're doing AI even, then you might want to go to Warrior Plus or Digistore or something like that, and there might be some software on those too. So just depending on what your niche or niche is, that's the top places that I recommend that you go to. Or you literally could just Google the top places to promote, or you can learn to promote the main thing that I promote. It's just the first link in the bio, and it gets you training. All right, so now we've gotten our niche and we know what we're going to promote. Now let me show you and tell you how to do this the right way, because I want this to be your #1 go-to how to do affiliate marketing with Pinterest, because there's a lot of people that show you how to do it wrong on YouTube. All right guys, now I'm gonna show you 2 different ways and 2 different ideas to do this, because also you could do this with Reels videos, or you can do it with just a picture pin. Okay, now what you're looking at here, I created myself. There's a whole bunch of different ones that's like this, but when I first got started, they were all confusing and had arrows everywhere and everything. So I made it really simple. So you have Pinterest, you start here, okay? And if you have a landing page, which is the correct way to really do affiliate marketing, and if you're gonna do it, you might as well do it the right way, right? Then you collect an email address. So that's why I have email. You have collect an email address, and then you have the landing page. And what the landing page is so people can put their name and email address in, and then they go to your product. And the reason why is just because someone lands on your landing page and they check out your product doesn't mean that they're gonna buy then. And so all the people that don't buy then, you can then later on send them emails, okay? And then as they get emails, then you can start adding also more products that you're gonna send to them and show them. Because if maybe I'm sending them an outfit and then later on I'm gonna check this purse out, this would match really good with it. Now you have a standard pin and then you have an idea pin. The standard pin is usually a picture and the idea is usually a video. Now, if you look at this account, this is just an example. They're doing affiliate marketing and this is everything Adobe. So whenever you go to it, they're using an Adobe affiliate link, and this is just an example because some of their stuff is theirs and some of their stuff is someone else's. Now, you'll see some videos that tells you just go use everybody else's stuff. No, I don't advise you to do that. I want you to do this the right way. And if you do what I tell you to do, I'll be guaranteed to make money, okay? So you're gonna create your own stuff and you're gonna use someone else's. All you need to do, so like these here are just pictures, so you can use other pictures that's on Pinterest, or you can go just on Facebook, or depending on, you see some stuff that's even on Twitter that just has pictures and people's stuff that you can go and take it, but then when you do, make sure you give credit in the description and you have like their at and have their same thing for video. For example, I would do your own video, but add someone else's in it. Now, I was just using, for example, I was talking about the female luxury thing. Now, I really like this. You can tell it's been doing really good, but I mean, elegant woman don't dress like this, and it has, a bunch of stuff. And then you could go in and take the title and the description, but don't use theirs. You can use ChatGPT and be like, can you give me something else like this? Or you can reword this and maybe add a tip or something like that. Easy breezy. Oh, and if you're using a video and it's on TikTok, but you can go get videos from anywhere, but let's just say you do use TikTok, or if you use Instagram, make sure you get the logo off of it. If you use TikTok, there's Snaptic. If you use Instagram, it's like IG Tik. It's something like Snaptic. Here's just another quick example how this lady here is using, I think it's her own thing, and she's using affiliate marketing, but this is where she is using her stuff, where the other one was using their stuff. They were mixing it, like I'm telling you. So you can do this on a computer or you can do this on a phone, but you literally hit create. It's the same thing on a phone. You can do a pin, or just create pin or an idea pin. Now let's say we're using just a picture for an example. If you go over to Canva and you type in Pinterest, and then go to Pinterest pin. There's tons of different ideas that you can use this on the side here. If you happen to not like, or you want more pictures and videos of what to put on your pins or videos, I actually subscribe and I just pay like a year thing. It's not that expensive, and I use Vital Elements, FYI. Okay, so I went ahead and I used one, and this is what I did. I went ahead and created comfy black outfit and black leather purse. So there's a reason why I have two things on here. So when you have two items like this, you can put both of the links in there, and sometimes like they're gonna buy the purse, oh, maybe I can buy this outfit that goes with it too. So that's why I did that. And so you could even do, you know, just that outfit, and that could be a pin later on, and just that purse. And then like I have videos of each one of these, and then you can add those as reels. And you can put it on Pinterest as an idea pin, and then you can also put it on other social media platforms. And I'll show you how to do that, or tell you how to do that in just a second. So still sticking with the picture as an example. Now, once you add it to, this is just a regular pin. Now you're like, what about the links and all that? Now, this is one of the ways that a lot of people tell you that's really the wrong way, is just go take that affiliate link that you have and just put it right here. Well, that's not really the best idea. So there's ways that you can tag this. So you could just tag the picture and put an affiliate link there too. Or you're gonna have several different items. So right here, you can go and put, literally, if you just do, like, say you have your shirt here, you can go use the landing page like I was telling you about earlier. And I will provide just a normal landing page that you could, you know, just import into your own and just kind of change the pictures and stuff out, so it's actually already done for you. And I'll provide that in the description. But you can literally just put a landing page here, and Pinterest, that's perfectly fine. Or they have what's called a stand store. Now, this is really good, especially when it comes to like physical products and stuff. No, this, I use one, and I'm a digital marketer. And you can create, like, this whole thing can be full of, like, you have your purse, your outfit, facial cream. You can even have it in sections. You can make your stand store any way you want. And if you want a 14-day, I think it's a 14-day free trial, I'll have that in the description for you as well. But what some people do is they even take their stand store link, and of course they'll put it up in the description at the very top of your page. That way, if they go to the top of your page and they click on your link, then it has everything that you have. But some people, then they'll take and they'll add that here as well. And because when they go to buy, they're like, oh, maybe I can add this to my cart too, and this looks pretty cool as well. So I told you there's two different ways. So you could put like one link right here with a landing page, or you could put all of them in a stand store. And when they're in the stand store, they don't necessarily have to have a landing page. All of mine do, but yours do not if you do use the stand store. Okay, you choose your title, your description, then you have your link and your board. And I suggest you have like a couple different boards depending on, especially, we'll use the same example. If I'm gonna do my clothes, I can have clothing, and then I can have facial creams, stuff like that in different board, and then you can tag it. And in your description, if I'm talking about like this comfy outfit, I'm gonna put talking about the comfy outfit, and if it has a brand, I'm gonna put the brand in it, all in the description and preferably in the title. You know what I do? I use ChatGPT to help me with this, so let ChatGPT help you too. Then you publish it. Or you can publish it at a later date, or you can schedule it. So you can schedule as many as you want. And like I said, while you're on that page, I would go ahead and just start creating all kinds of different pins and reels, and just start mixing all your stuff together. That's what I advise you to do. And then just schedule it out. And especially if you're just sticking with Pinterest, just stay in Canva and then schedule it out that way. I have that link in the description as well. Imagine that. But if you're planning on taking your stuff and you want to put it elsewhere, you want to put it out on maybe Facebook, or if you're reels, you want to put shorts in YouTube, reels and Instagram, stuff like that, then I suggest you use Metricool, because you get to schedule like 50 things a month. So, I mean, it's definitely worth it. And you literally can take one thing and schedule it to be posted as many places as you want. So it's easy breezy. You know what, I'll go ahead and I'll put the link to that video up next, just in case you're interested in it, because it is kind of cool. Now, hopefully this helped you and you really like this. If you got anything out of this, you definitely, please help me out. Like the video, and you really want to subscribe, because I have more coming, especially that has to do with Pinterest. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next video, because I'm in there. Thanks.